Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Soma and I'm a makeup artist. I can't tell you how much I was waiting for this moment. Yesterday I posted a short video on this product from Biossance, and today I'm going to do the first impression on this product. I've got all the good things to say about this product. Let's just clear that out. Squalane plus elderberry jelly cleanser. I was very excited to try this product because I just got my hydration kit from Biossance. This one, I was super impressed with the products and with the whole idea. So that's why I just wanted to place order for this. I was waiting for my package. Yesterday it arrived and now it is right in front of you. I tried it twice and I asked my husband to try it because we have got different skin types. So that helps. So let me just tell you that I am in love with the color, the texture, the feel, and of course the scent. The scent was totally undetectable by my husband, but I detected that scent because I crave for that scent. It is a beautiful smell of berry blossoms. So when you are just walking around your neighborhood these days, actually a week ago I smelled that because the trees were full of berry blossoms. So it is that kind of natural scent. And the beautiful part was the instant effect. I don't even want to use the word after effect. I want to use the word instant effect because the moment you apply it on your skin, you get to feel instantly the softness, the suppleness, and a beautiful moisture layer on your skin. So let me just show you the product. That's the color. And it is a natural extract. So every batch can have a different color, but the feel would be same. That's what it says on the website, and I'm very impressed. I got this color because it is really pretty. And as I say that always, whenever you are new to anything, any ingredient, always go for a patch test. And if your skin feels happy about it, then just get started using it. So that's what I did. The first thing, I took a little bit and I washed my hands with it. My whole skin feels very normal. I am very happy with it, but my skin of this section, my palms, it's almost all the time, yeah, needs hydration. And that's what I just go for. If you remember, I use Bioderma hand cream almost all the time. I wash my hands. Every time I wash my hands, every time I sanitize my hands, I go for a beautiful hand cream. And I love the Bioderma products too. So I tried using this product, coming back to this product. So I tried using this product on my hands first. I rinsed my hand properly, and to my surprise, it just locked the moisture in. And I was very surprised that my palms are actually moisturized. I mean, this actually added back something, and that's what I'm going to talk about. Yesterday, when I was about to take off my makeup, I used it on dry skin. The makeup was on and then I just used a little bit of it and I started massaging my skin. The moment I started doing that, it just melted the whole makeup, of course. And then I could see a little bit trace of my eyeshadow under my lower lash line. So after that, I just used a little bit of water and I started massaging even more. And the moment I did that, I could feel that something is getting added back to my skin in terms of moisturization, and I could feel it. I mean, if you are already familiar with the product, maybe you could relate with that, but I hardly feel that way with any other cleansing balm or any other cleanser. I added this because of so many reasons that I just feel connected to the brand. It is plant-based, it has got squalane, and I am head over heels for squalene these days. Plus, the moment I got to know about elderberries and I got to know how rich elderberries are, so I just wanted to try it. I just wanted to try it and I just wanted to feel how my skin behaves to it. So that's what I did yesterday. I took the makeup away with it and then I just rinsed my skin. I just took a warm washcloth and wiped it off. So that's what I did yesterday. But then I realized that whatever I'm seeing, like a trace of eyeshadow under my lower lash line, I could go one more step and cleanse it. Because it says that the directions are apply to damp skin and massage to remove impurities, apply to dry skin to remove waterproof makeup, and rinse. So my point is, this is my one-stop, one and done kind of cleanser. I could take off, remove my makeup with this, and then I can take a tiny amount of it again to just give a nice cleanse to my skin, to take off any other sign of makeup I may have, and this works like that. Another point that just came to my mind, that if you are new to something, like I'm new to elderberry, so I just wanted to go for everything that I found online and on the website, how it works, how rich it is, and it is like very good ingredient to fight free radicals and UV damage. So it is actually working towards anti-aging, and it is actually working beautifully with all the antioxidants it has. So I am very interested to know more and more about it. So I will be reading and researching on that. But if you have got any special condition and you are getting any second thoughts about these two new ingredients, of course, check with your doctor. For instance, when I was pregnant, I always check with my doctor about any new thing, any new skincare or any makeup or anything that I wanted to eat. So I always check with my doctor, and she was very patient and she was kind enough to listen to me and my queries, and she resolved it. So that's how it worked for me during those times. Just wanted to share that information with all of you on a side note. And now what else I could say about it? Today I asked my husband to try it. I have got normal skin type and he has got oily skin type, so I wanted him to try it too, because it says that it is for normal and combination and oily and dry skin type. Everyone can use it because it has got the properties that can balance out the sebum. It worked beautifully on my skin. I wanted him to try it and just give me that information about how it felt. So he said that it doesn't feel like that it is stripping away the moisture. It is adding something back to the skin, and of course it is keeping the hydration intact. That's what it says, and that's what it is doing. More on this product when I get to try it a little bit more, and I'm very excited. Something that I got and I just want to reach out for more and more. That means a lot to me, that yes, I am really enjoying the product. Yesterday I tried it when my makeup was on. Today morning I again wanted to try it. Today when I got up, I had clean skin, soft skin, supple skin. Of course, after using this, I used my hydration kit, the rose oil and the squalene plus omega repair cream. So I just woke up with a baby soft skin, and I wanted to wash my skin again with this one just to try how it works on a plain clean skin. So I just loved it. Again, that same feeling when I was washing my skin and it felt like a jelly, and then it just turned into a milky liquid, and then I felt that something is getting back to my skin and I'm getting that moisture instantly. It's not like I am done with this and then I'm adding some moisture back to my skin and my skin is feeling baby soft. No, instantly when you're using it, that time you will feel that there is something. getting back to the skin. And that's the property of all the ingredients it has, like squalene, elderberry. So I am really into it. Last but not least, I just wanted to pinpoint this, that most of the time it happens that I keep my washcloth handy because I just love to use a warm washcloth after I'm done using my cleansing balm. So yesterday also I did the same thing, but I was very excited to try this. So I kept my washcloth a little closer to me, shifted it from the normal spot. So after I did my massage with this jelly, I was trying to reach out for the washcloth, but I couldn't because it was a little bit misplaced. So I opened my eyes for a second and I was trying to figure out. So by that time, it may have got into my eyes a little and I started feeling a little bit sting. But it's the same sting that you feel when you are rinsing your shampooed hair and suddenly you just open your eyes for a second. So it was nothing, bothering me. It wasn't lingering on. It wasn't bothering me much. So today morning when I decided to wash my face again with this product, I decided not to open my eyes whatsoever. So I just completely rinsed my eyes, completely rinsed my face, and around my eyes, on my skin, it was completely soothing, calming. I didn't feel any irritation. It did not bother me at all. It actually worked like a beautiful good friend. So I'm very happy that I invested in it, and I want to try more and more from the brand. I already told you about it. Many more to come, and of course you will get to know more about this product when I decide to do the review on this, which would be at least 2 weeks after. Yeah, so that's what I'm planning to do. So let me use it and let me try it. Meanwhile, if you have already tried it, you know what to do. Share your experience so we all know about your experience, how you feel about this product, and what else do you like from Biossance. Okay, just wanted to show you something really quick because it is really touching my heart. So I'm not going to let it go waste. I'm going to wash my hands with this because I know I'm going to use it again, and I'm going to go through that same beautiful experience that I feel every time when I use this product. So it's been quite a while now, 3 to 4 times I have already used it. It's my new love. So this card I got with the box. This is the box, and it has got 150 ml product, so it's a big one and it will last me for a while. Doesn't take much. Of course, you have to follow the amount, follow the directions, follow the instructions, and go for the patch test. And if you have any special condition, if you are having any second thought about squalene, elderberry, check with your doctor. No harm in that. Yes. So this is the note that I got, and I was very happy to see that our squalene saves 2 million sharks every year. Squalene is a weightless, powerfully effective head-to-toe hydrator. By using our sugarcane derived squalene, you are helping us save 2 million sharks every year from unethical liver harvesting. We create clean skincare that's better for you and the planet. How cool is that? I'm very happy that I took a baby step towards that, and now I think I'm going to take a couple of more steps towards that because so many good products in Clean at Sephora section. I'm searching, finding, and experiencing all the goodness in the product. So there is no compromise on quality, no compromise on how it feels. It is so aesthetically pleasing. I'm just loving everything, the properties, the ingredients, the aesthetics. The packaging is recyclable, everything. So really, many more things to come from Biossance, and you have to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Yeah, please hit the bell button. Don't miss that. You will get notified every time I post a video. And enjoy your weekend. Come back on Monday because there is something new coming up. Yes, see See you. Have a fun day. And now I'm going to give myself, my hands, a little treat. Bye bye.